Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Like everyone recently, I've been playing Among Us a fair bit, and I saw that a lot of people have been requesting a plush of the sitting model that Inner Sloth had created. And while I'm interested in creating some variations of the characters, I decided to create a pattern for it so we can have some little crewmates for ourselves. Here's a list of everything you need. The orange Minky can be switched for whichever colour you like playing as most, and my patterns are all scaled to an A4 piece of paper. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. It's the second link in the description. Make sure to follow the key at the top and cut out all of your pieces as accurately as possible. The first thing you need to do is take each back body piece and sew the dart on the bottom. Repeat this for the second side. Then take the front body piece and sew both darts up also. Align the inner leg with the back body leg piece, and with the tracing facing up on either side, join the longer top edge and the longer bottom edge. Repeat for the second back body side. Take the foot circles and align them onto the tip of each leg and join them onto the leg tip using the tracing to guide you. Repeat for the second foot. After that, take the front body piece and on the slightly curved side, align the curve to the leg and join the whole back body side along the front body piece until you reach the dart at the top. Do the same thing for the second side of the front body piece with the remaining back body piece. Then, starting at the top of the dart on the front body, begin sewing the two back body pieces together. When you've almost reached the end, flatten them back down so it aligns with the remaining open gap of the front body and sew up one side of the dart. Leave the remaining other side of the dart to flip the plush upright. Then stuff it leg first and body after. Once done, use an invisible stitch to close off the remaining gap. Take the blue front visor and sew up all 4 darts. After that, use a running stitch to join the white glint onto the left hand side of the visor. Fold in the seams and use pins to pin the visor onto the centre of the body, then use an invisible stitch to join it on. Once you've almost reached the end, fill it with a bit of stuffing and then close off the remaining stitch. For the backpack, take 4 backpack sides and align them to the centre backpack piece. This is with the smallest at the top and the remaining 3 around the sides. Then, slowly join the sides to the centre backpack, sewing up each corner as you do until all of the sides are joined. Fold in each seam again and pin it onto the centre of the back body, the fluffy side up, and use an invisible stitch to join it on. When you're almost at the end, stuff the backpack and then finish the stitch off. And that is how you make a Sitting Among Us plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!